Bluey, Typewriter. At school, Bluey is being a story writer. Chloe comes to tell her that it's time for a story with Calypso. Everyone sits up straight to listen. Snickers tries and tries, but oops. Calypso begins. There once was a old dog who had sat on a chest by the side of the road for all his life, begging for treats. One day, a gnome came by and said to the old dog, "Have you tried opening that chest you sit on to see what's inside?" "Oh no, of course not. There's nothing inside," said the old dog. "It's empty." "Can I sit next to you, Coco?" says Winton. He sits right up close to her. Winton is a space invader. The gnome insisted that the old dog open the chest, and when he did, he discovered that it was full of treats. Bluey doesn't think the story makes sense, so she decides to write a new one with a better ending. But when she and Chloe get back to the typewriter, it's gone. "Hey, where did the real typewriter go?" "I'll go ask Calypso," says Bluey. "He can't be a story writer without a real typewriter." On her way to find Calypso, Bluey sees Snickers. He looks sad. "Hey Snickers, what's wrong? Everyone else was learned to sit, except me." "But you're a sausage dog," says Bluey. "It's going to take you longer because you're longer." "I hate being a sausage dog," Snickers moans. Bluey suggests that Snickers come to find Calypso to see if she can help them both. On the way, they bump into Winton. He looks sad too. "Hey Winton, what's wrong? Everyone keeps running away from me." "Why don't you come see Calypso with us?" asks Bluey. "Maybe she can help." "Okay," says Winton. "I'll follow you." The three friends head off until they are stopped by the terriers. They are playing a game. "Hey, we're shooting bows and arrows at you," the terriers say when Bluey, Snickers, and Winton don't fall over. "Not real ones," says Snickers. "Please, can you pretend that they're pretend real?" "Okay," Bluey says. She yells to Snickers and Winton, "Arrows, get down!" They race away from the pretend real arrows. "Snickers, you sneak around them through those skinny trees," Bluey says, "and then wait to the top of the hill to do you know what." "I'm coming. Where are you?" Snickers sneaks through the army trees as the terror tries to spot him, but Snickers' sausage shape keeps him hidden. Meanwhile, Bluey has an idea for getting past one of the other terriers. "Ask him a question," she tells Winton, "and then he'll run away." Winton is confused. "Why would he run away if I ask a question?" "Because you're a space invader. It's someone who stands too close." Winton gives it a go. "Are you gluten-free?" "Winton, not so close. Just tell me, are you gluten-free?" "Arr, it works." The last terrier has them trapped, but Winton has an idea. "Use this shield," he says, handing Bluey a pretend real shield. "Okay," says Bluey, "hang on." They escape and scare the terrier away. Bluey and Winton run up the hill, but the terrier soon chase them. Bluey shouts to Snickers, "Snickers, no! Sausage roll! I love being a sausage dog." "Good one, Snickers!" Bluey and Winton shout. Then Bluey laughs. "Hey Winton, look. Winton isn't standing close. I'm not a space invader." Finally, Bluey asks Calypso where the real typewriter has gone. "It's around here somewhere," says Calypso. "Hey, how did you get past the terriers?" "I used a shield," said Bluey. "See, Ting Ting? That's a nice shield." "Okay, typewriter. Where is it?" Calypso smiles. "What if I asked you to show me a typewriter?" Bluey shows Calypso a pretend real typewriter, just like she used a pretend real shield to escape the terriers. "That's a lovely typewriter, isn't it?" says Calypso. "Thanks, Calypso," says Bluey as she races off. "I'm going to write my story now." It is a lovely typewriter, and Bluey will always have it with her.